17 Smart Ideas for Children's Bedrooms. Bunk beds have long been the go-to solution for making the most out of a shared space, but these easy-to-recreate built-in bunks spotted on the Project Girl offer a fresh take on the bulky, old-fashioned variety, boasting clean lines, a slim frame, and no-fuss modern appeal. A bright assortment of frames painted in a cheery yellow makes for a one-of-a-kind gallery wall in this sweet little girl's room featured on the Caterpillar years. Working with a tight space? This simple wall-mounted desk spotted on Avenue Lifestyle offers ample space for arts and craft projects and homework assignments without taking up that oh-so-valuable floor space in your child's room. When it comes to kids' rooms, the focus should always be on fun. A canopy is another fun and easy way to add personality to any space. Make your little diva's dreams come true with this adorable idea from House of Turquoise. What kid wouldn't love the idea of a secret attic hideout? This amazing space, designed by Colleen Knowles Interiors and featured on Porch, boasts a whimsical passage to a bonus room cut and framed into the attic above this lucky kiddo's room. What better way to encourage your little one to read than by giving them a cozy reading nook of their own? Can't stop the kids from fighting. Divide and conquer. Wish you had space for a dedicated playroom? You won't believe this clever closet hack featured on Design Sponge. Whether you rent your space or just have design commitment issues, washi tape can be your best friend. This simple and inexpensive paper tape is a dyer's dream. Just ask the clever mom behind this adorable Nordic-inspired bedroom featured on Everything Emily. By creating little crosses out of black washi tape, Emily was able to create a chic and totally removable wall treatment for less than the cost of trip to Starbucks. Need to make room for two? Try arranging twin beds in an L shape as pictured in this spacious and functional boys' room from decorating your small space. If you don't like the corner bed look, try placing two twin beds end to end and dressing them as a wall-length daybed. Chalkboard walls are everywhere, and with good reason. This budget-friendly trend is as popular with teenagers as it is with toddlers, giving it serious staying power. Want a beautiful accent wall for less? Pick up a Sharpie. With colors galore and finishes ranging from neon to metallic, this office staple is the new decorator's tool of choice. Take your shabby chic nursery to the next level by installing a good, old-fashioned screen door in your little one's nursery. Your kiddos might need to share a room, but that doesn't mean their individual personalities can't shine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.